I've been noticing people have been struggling making shorts lately. So I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to format and make shorts. And we're going to be doing this in two different formats. One is the blurred background in the small short, and the other one is the zoomed in short. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is we need to get our footage. So we're going to import our media. And I have a video here I want to import. So before dragging this in, you want to first make a new timeline. Unmark use project settings and then change the size, because we want this the size of a short, or else YouTube is going to count it as a long form video. So to do that, you just need to swap these two numbers. So it needs to be 1080 and 1920. So my footage is just of me, killing zombies in a dungeon farm in Minecraft. Just simple, but I don't like it like this. It's just a little short screen. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to zoom this in. So if you want to zoom it into full screen, you just go to Inspector, you go to Video, you go to Transform, and there's a zoom, and you can literally just drag it up. And usually you want to drag it to about 3.17 or something around that. So I'm just going to type it in to make it perfect fit. And then, as you see, it's zoomed in. So some people might not like that because it could cut off the sides and might have important things. So the other method would be using a blur effect. So we just go to Open FX, go to the Gaussian blur, however you pronounce it. This is the one we want to use. So just drag it onto your little clip. Then you click on it, go to Inspector, and go to Effects. And you want to pull this as up as you can. Then you pull open another version of it. And here we go. You have this version of a short where it just plays in the middle and have a blur version in the background. So all we really need to do left is add the music. Cut. Delete this. And then we have a nice little short of just me killing some zombies. So now that we're done, we can just render it. Just choose a name, choose a file. I'll put it in my captures folder, and we render it. But make sure before rendering that this is 1080 1920, because it won't render as a short. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and I'm gonna go back to making more Minecraft videos.